Hello everyone, welcome to day 1 of my 30-day DevOps challenge. Today I learned Linux and why it is important for DevOps engineers. Linux is one of the most popular for DevOps world. Most servers and cloud computers are run on Linux. That is why most of the DevOps engineers are know Linux and its basics. Today I learned some basic commands like pwd that show the current directory, ls that show the list of all files and folders, mkir dir that create folders. At first the command looks confusing, but after practicing for few times I felt more comfortable. I learned that small daily steps can lead to big results. This is the day 1 of my DevOps journey. Thank you for watching.